Outdoor rinks too cold for you? Head inside, to Yerba Buena's heated rink. The Ice Skating Center, perched on the roof of Moscone Convention Center, is San Francisco's only rink that's open all year. Public skating, lessons, and special programs and sessions for adults, seniors, hockey players and figure skaters are all here, with added public skating sessions during late December and early January. On December 26th and 27th, 2017 and January 2nd and 3rd, 2018, the center offers a 2-day, Learn to Skate class. Location, 750 Folsom Street, San Francisco, between 3rd and 4th Streets, above the Moscone Center. Dates/times, open daily year-round, including Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Day, hours vary. Info, 415-820-3532.